I'm calling guys this video welcome to Chicago, and here, as you guys can see, it's a big mess. Chicago downtown, it's crazy out here. Oh my goodness, those, wow, unbelievable. Yeah, as you guys can see here, it's a beautiful downtown Chicago, but not very beautiful about the cars. Well, that's totally fine, I guess, but that's really crazy what's happening around here. Wow, it's like so much traffic. Wow, Chicago is a very old city. I mean, look at this beautiful church right there. It's nice. It's a really nice church. Probably was built in 1700s. Wow, guys, that is crazy what's happening around here. That is crazy. 290 West, 51H. Wow, guys. And you know, here in Chicago, you know, everybody tries to cut you off because it's you know, like semi trucks. We have $1 million insurance on the semi trucks, and basically because of our insurance, you know, everybody trying to make money that way, which is kind of sad. But you know, like they say, business is business. So yeah, people cut me off all the time here in Chicago, which is kind of crazy. I mean, as you guys can see there, it's a downtown, Chicago downtown, right there. And I'm getting to 290 West. Oh my goodness, it's getting really crazy out here. It's really crazy out here. Well, but it is what it is. Like usually, you know, in that kind of traffic, if you drive in a semi truck, it would probably take you like probably like an hour, at least an hour, to drive 20 miles in traffic like that. So yeah, guys, that's Chicago for you guys. But wow, unbelievable. That is unbelievable. That is unbelievable. I mean, I like the Chicago, but the traffic in Chicago is terrible. It's very terrible. Traffic in Chicago is very terrible. Wow. Unbelievable, guys. As you guys can see here, I'm going about wow. As you guys can see here, I'm going about like 2 miles an hour. Oh man, it's stressful out here. It is stressful out here, and it is dangerous out here. But you know, Chicago pays the most money, so we need to be there where money is. And if they pay the most money, then I guess we're gonna have to work with them. Yeah, I mean, of course, for the job we do, I mean, I worked for so many companies, but you know, I mean, yeah, companies pay less, but for the job we do here, it's just getting crazy. It's getting crazy, guys, because of the traffic, because of many different aspects. So yeah, guys, it was the truck driver guy with you today, driving the semi truck. Once again, guys, thanks a lot for watching my videos. Subscribe to my channel, comment below, ask me any questions you want, and do me a favor, Drive safe out there, guys.